Hey man, say man, it's your boy Lalo here with a brand new video, and as always, I got another fire one for y'all today, man. And as y'all can see by the title, folks, I got the ultimate best unboxing of Tahoe accessories on YouTube, man. Dumbass. But for real, I do got so much shit that I want to show y'all, bro. I ordered a seat cover, headlights, tail lights, an antenna. I ordered just so much shit, folks, and I just want to show y'all, man. So make sure y'all sit back, relax, and let's hurry up and get to unboxing this thing. Boom, so here it is, man. Got this big old box that came in. Got this medium sized box. Got this size. Got the, already know. I'm gonna show y'all that when I open it, you feel me? If you know, cut. And then another box back there. So y'all choose, folks. What box y'all want to open first, folks? Y'all talking about this one? Y'all want to open the small one first? I bet we'll get to opening this one then. Alright, folks, so here's the first bag, you know what I'm saying? Now, honestly, I do not know what comes in what. Let me go ahead and undo this little tab back here. Like a bag of chips is what you could. So, the first thing. Alright, so I got 2 packs of LEDs, you know what I'm saying? Why? Because I'm a fucking dumbass. These are some good ass headlights. They're super bright. They wanted 120 for them, but I paid 95 because they were on sale. But these are the headlights, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a screenshot of the headlights right here. And as y'all seen, I did get everything off of Amazon, you know what I'm saying? All of this stuff is on Amazon. I'm gonna put the links to everything in the link of the description. But yeah, here's the box and a nice little silicone wrap. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for y'all. Show y'all how the light's looking. So I have a channel called ChiefinWithLalo. This reminds me a lot of what I do over there. And if you know, you know, folks. So go check out that channel, man. Yeah, so here's the lights, you feel me? Ooh, it opens like this. Just pull straight up. Damn, fool, why the fuck they got gloves in this motherfucker, bro? But damn, fool, damn, them look raw as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, cook. I don't want to take it out the packaging. I don't gotta take it out the packaging, folks. Y'all can see from there. But yeah, man, those are the headlights, you know what I'm saying? These look like they're gonna be good, high quality lights. And they should be, motherfucker. They go for 120, you know what I'm saying, folks? So yeah, I'm pretty sure these are a fire ass brand. Put it in the comments down below. Is this a good brand? I bet. So those are the 2 pairs of headlights, you feel me? Let's see what's next in this little baggy kid. Ooh, I bet. So this, I really needed these, bro. Because as y'all could see by the other videos, man, I got some fire ass rims on the truck. So I can't have no goofies out here trying to take my shit, bro. So I gotta put some locks on there. And these are the double lock, the ones that like spin, and you can't just like spin these off. Like these are basically just super hard to come off, bro. I highly recommend y'all get these, you know what I'm saying? There's the original ones, then there's these. Like these are twice as harder to break into, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, there goes the key up top. Make sure you don't lose that motherfucker, you know, because then you're going to be fucked, man. But yeah, man, I for sure needed the rim locks, especially out here, bro. Chicagoland area, bro. These motherfuckers be shiesty as hell, and they do not give no fuck, boy. So, I for sure needed to cop these. I bet, man. So, that was the end of that bag, man. So, we got, oh, wait, what's that? Oh, I'm lying. No, it wasn't, boy. I was about to throw this shit away, cuz. Alright, now that was the end of the bag, you know. So, these are these little emblems I got to replace the ones that are on the truck already. They're the little side emblems, you know, the little black and gold ones. Instead of it being black and gold, I want it to be black and silver or black and chrome, you know. So it goes nice with the chrome accents on the truck, you feel me? That shit gonna go hard. It's a little detail. The little details are the ones that be going crazy, you know. So go ahead and got one of those. On to the next box. So what box I want to choose next, man? So here's the boxes, you feel me? Which one y'all trying to choose, cuz? Y'all saying that one? See, this one pretty heavy too. I'm feeling this one too, man. Let me go ahead and get it. Oh shit, cook. Alright guys, we got the box right here, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead, rip open, folk. And I feel like a little kid on fucking Christmas right now, you know what I'm saying, folk? It basically is Christmas, you know? And I'm happy as fuck right now, boy. I got the cleanest Tahoe out here, man. Stop playing with me, folk. Nah, I ain't gonna lie though, bro. My Tahoe is very clean, bro. I'm so happy I got it, bro. Like, Bro, that shit go hard, bro. Pause. But nah, bro, I really love that truck, man. That shit fire as fuck, bro. It's like the best Tahoe I could have got. Mainly because I love that body style. And the 06 is like the best year I could have got it. You know what I'm saying? But damn, bro, my fat ass can't rip this shit, bro. What's up with me? I'm fuck around and stab myself. Be careful. Let me not rip nothing that's in the box, cuz. Damn, I'm gonna slap myself with this. Oh, hell no. There's more boxes inside this box, cuz. Alright, boom. Alright, so what the fuck? So, I don't know what this is, honestly, gang. I'm gonna put it on the floor and show y'all, and we gonna look together. Alright, so this is what I opened it to. I think it's probably the headlights, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and be careful about this shit, you know? Yeah, it is the taillight, you know what I'm saying? I got a nice, clear-ass one. Alright, boom, so here the little taillight is, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm gonna be careful with this motherfucker, because I don't want to drop it or nothing, you feel me? Cause this is how it came. Ooh. Now imagine both of these on the back of the hole, man. That shit gonna look clean, fo. You know what I'm saying, fo? I could already imagine it, you know what I'm saying? That shit gonna look hard, bro. So yeah, what y'all think about these taillights? W or L, fo? I feel like these are W, you know? These clean as fuck. I feel like these were the cleanest ones for the Tahoe. I bet for the next box, we're gonna do this medium-sized box, you know? Why not? Save the best for last. Save that big-ass box for the last one, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think gonna be in here, cuz? Cause I ain't gonna lie, my high ass forgot what the fuck I ordered. We about to find out, cuz. Oh, I think this is my seat cover whole time. Cause my seat is a little ripped, nothing too crazy. It's just a little ripped on the side, but I wanted to get a seat cover to avoid it so it doesn't keep on ripping, you know what I'm saying? So there's actually multiple things in that box. First thing is these little caps for my wheels. They got the little Chevy logo in there because I don't got none. And I'm not gonna lie, these feel very light, folks. Just some basic, you know, silver ones with the Chevy logo. If y'all can see it, goes perfect with the truck. These just go where the air goes, you know what I'm saying? Just tighten it up right there. And yeah, man, can't go wrong with these nice little chrome ones. Especially because the rims are chrome, you know. And then the rim locks are chrome. Everything chrome, you know what I'm saying? They're like $10 for these, which is not bad or not too good, cause. Or what y'all think, folks? I don't know, folks. Alright, folks. So next thing is these. Now, my dumbass needed to get 2 of these, folks, and I accidentally just got 1. Bro, my ass stupid as shit, folks. But like I said, this is my first truck, folks. I'm barely learning, you know. I learn as I go type shit. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Fucking man, I'm tweaking, bro. I didn't even show y'all the fucking box up close or nothing, man. So these are the signal lights I got, you know. This the front, this is the back. Everything gonna be in the link in the description, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and open it from the side. I think they come in like a baggie. Yeah, they come inside a little baggie. I ain't even gonna open it because I don't got to, but there y'all go, you know. Man, my ass stupid as shit, folks. I really only got 1 pair of these, folks. Hell nah. But yeah, these are like 6,000 lumens. I think these are the brightest ones on Amazon. They shine nice, bright white, you know. Because I don't want to shine in like amber, you know. I want it to be nice, bright, and white, you feel me? Especially with the headlights I got. I'm going to show y'all right now. It's gonna look super, super, super fucking clean, man. So those are little turn signal lights. I'm gonna go ahead and have it order me another pair because my ass stupid as shit. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the seat cover, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Motherfucker. Yeah. Bro, they gave me the wrong seat color cover. Dumb. Imagine. I would've been mad as fuck. Nah, this is a good color. Yeah, is it? Yeah, it is, folks. I would've been mad as fuck if it was the wrong color, folks. It's just a little seat cover for the bottom portion of the seat, you know. I'm gonna put all this shit in next video, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. But it's just a little bottom portion of the seat where you sit on the cushion. And yeah, man. And it actually feels good quality, you know. I'm surprised. I thought this was gonna be much more skinnier, but it's actually pretty thick and plush, you know, which caught me off guard, you know what I'm saying? So shouts out to that brand. And bro, my stupid ass, I just dropped something, folks. Oh my god, I thought this box was empty. What is it? Ooh, let's go. The bullet antenna cut. And bro, now this is a 50mm bullet, you know, because I gotta get rid of that big ass fucking antenna I got on my truck. That shit makes it look funny as fuck, bro. But this is a whole fucking bullet, you know. This shit gonna look raw as fuck on there, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully the antenna sounds good. Everything works good with this antenna. That's why I got it, because this looks like a fire ass brand, you know, and it's the most expensive one you could get. That's why I got it. So hopefully everything works perfectly. Go ahead and open this. Ooh, you just open it like that. So these are the little parts you screw down onto the antenna, you know what I'm saying. Ooh, different sizes, whatever you need. Ooh. This is the size of it. It's not too big nor too small. That's what she said. Ugly ass. Nah, for real though, cause you don't want that shit to be big as fuck. Cause hell no, that shit gonna look funny as fuck. But also, you want it visible. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me go ahead and see how this motherfucker look. Alright, man. So I got it out. You know, damn, this motherfucker look clean. I ain't gonna lie, this just caught me off guard. This shit look clean as fuck. And there's no scratches, no dents, no nothing. I think this is the actual size of a real 50 caliber bullet, you know. I'm not sure though. I might be wrong. I think I heard that though. Another reason why I went with this brand, Ronin, is because they actually got an anti-theft feature, which comes on these little things, which is that little paste right there. I guess once you screw it on the antenna, that shit is not coming off, which is good and bad, because like, what if you want to take it off yourself, you know? You're gonna have to struggle a lot more. I bet. So which one y'all want to do next, folks? Y'all want to do the exhaust or this big ass box? Y'all said the exhaust? No, I'm just kidding. Y'all, I heard y'all. Y'all said the big ass box. I got y'all. I bet we gonna get to opening this motherfucker. Alright, so we gonna switch it up. We gonna do it from this point of view. You know what I'm saying? Cause why not? Fuck it. What the fuck are these? The headlights, man. What is this? This better not be my information. Nah, I bet. Put that to the side. And yeah, man, these are headlights. You know what I'm saying? So these are the ones I got, you know. Put them on the screen. They're the all clear ones. I don't even got to take them out the box, you know. They're these. I'm going to put them on in the next video. I paid like $65 for these hoes, bro. Usually they go for $90. So I paid $65. Pretty good deal, you know what I'm saying, fool. And by the looks of it, it looks like everything came good. Only reason I'm not going to take them out, bro, is because they're literally all clear, bro. Like, I know y'all seen them 1,000 times. You know, I'm just checking them out to make sure everything looks good. And yeah, I'm pretty sure everything looks good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so on to the last thing, and save the best for last, you know what I'm saying? Which is this Flowmaster muffler, man. And I got the 40 series. Only reason I ain't go 44, Super 10, or anything like that was because, as y'all know, I'm around the Chicagoland area, folk. It's hot as fuck out here with 12. Even just having the Tahoe by itself is hot as fuck. Imagine putting a muffler on it, and imagine a nice looking one. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like mine kind of looks a little shiesty. So, you know, I feel like if I had a loud ass muffler on that shit's gonna be hot as fuck. And I'm not trying to be getting stopped by 12, you know. So I was listening to them. I seen that the 40 series wasn't too crazy loud, but it sounded nice, you know what I'm saying? So that's the one I got. And let me go ahead and get some unboxing for y'all, man. Yeah. So I've never opened a fucking muffler box, you know. And I ain't gonna lie, this whole kind of heavy. First thing you get are these stickers, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing there's some stickers, you know. Flowmaster stickers. Can't go wrong with them, you feel me? And then, boom, the muffler, man. It's a pretty good size, you know what I'm saying? Compared to my big ass head, that's the size, you know. Heaviness is like, I'm say like 10 pounds around there for steel. You know, this shit good material, you know. Boom, you know what I'm saying? I need to chill, bro. My ass probably looks stupid as shit. But yeah, man. Sound ain't too loud, but it's not too low. It's gonna be raw as fuck, man. It's gonna be clean. I feel like it's gonna go perfect with the Tahoe I got now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was the little unboxing of everything. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2. Because that's when we're going to be putting everything on. And if there's a part 3, that's probably when everything's put on, like a update, or you know what I'm saying. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Make sure to give the video a like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay smooth. I love y'all so much. Y'all peace, man.